Monday.com is a popular productivity and time management tool, but before you decide to commit, there are some key things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for team collaboration or project management, make sure you're fully informed to avoid any surprises later on. We'll compare it to some of its competitors along the way, so you can make a decision that fits your needs. First up, Monday.com has a highly visual interface. It's designed to make it easy to manage multiple projects at a glance. The boards are colorful and organized, which can be a big plus for teams who need to stay on top of tasks. However, while this design looks great, it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new to it, especially when compared to simpler tools like Trello. If you're used to something straightforward, it might take some time to adjust. Next thing you need to know is the flexibility of Monday.com's workflows. You can create custom workflows that suit your team's needs, but this also means it has a steeper learning curve than something like Asana. The customization is great, but expect to spend some time figuring it out if you want to get the most out of it. The third thing is the pricing model. Monday.com offers tiered pricing, which can be a bit confusing. While the basic plan might seem affordable, you'll need to upgrade to get access to key features like automation and advanced reporting. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with more inclusive features, consider looking at ClickUp, which offers a more feature-rich free plan. Next up is the automation features. Monday.com has some powerful automation tools that can save you a lot of time. For example, you can automate notifications, task assignments, and even the moving of items between boards. However, the number of automations available on the lower tier plans is limited, meaning you'll need to upgrade if you want more. This can be restrictive for smaller teams or startups, especially when compared to a platform like Notion, which gives you a lot of flexibility for free. The fifth thing is collaboration. Monday.com does a fantastic job at keeping teams connected with features like comment sections, file attachments, and at mentions to keep everyone in the loop. It's one of the better collaboration tools on the market, though not as streamlined as Slack or Microsoft Teams when it comes to real-time messaging. The sixth thing is reporting and analytics. Monday.com provides detailed reporting on your projects, but if you want advanced reports, you'll need the higher tier plans. For users looking for a more comprehensive reporting system, Monday.com might fall short compared to something like Rike, which offers more advanced reporting options on its mid-tier plans. Next thing is the integrations. Monday.com integrates with over 40 apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox. This is great for teams that rely on a variety of tools, but if you're using specialized software, you might find the list lacking compared to competitors like Zapier, which supports thousands of apps. The eighth thing to keep in mind is the mobile app. Monday.com's mobile app is fairly robust and can keep you up to date on your projects when you're on the go. However, it's not as smooth as some competitors like Trello, which offers a more intuitive experience on mobile devices. The ninth thing is that Monday.com offers a 14-day free trial, so you can test it out before committing. However, the limited trial period might not give you enough time to fully explore the platform, especially if you're managing complex workflows. It's worth testing, but don't expect a deep dive unless you have the time. The 10th thing is scalability. Monday.com is suitable for small teams, but is especially effective for larger organizations. With features designed to handle large teams and complex projects, it stands out when compared to simpler tools like Trello. However, if you need a more granular level of control for very large teams, tools like Jira might be a better fit. The 11th thing is the customer support. Monday.com offers decent support through email and chat, but if you're on a lower tier plan, you might experience slower response times. This is something to consider if you're used to premium support like what you get with Asana's higher plans. Finally, Monday.com has a strong user community. They have a dedicated space for users to exchange tips, troubleshoot, and help each other out. However, the quality of support and resources is not as high as what you get with other platforms like Basecamp, where the community and knowledge base are more extensive. Monday.com is a solid option for productivity and time management, with its strong visual tools, customizable workflows, and excellent collaboration features. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly or more feature-packed alternative,